Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC user account local settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to create a password for local user account on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or your Windows 11. Let me show you how. Like for instance, if you are using Windows 11, come down below right here and then you click on your startup menu and then you go ahead and click on settings. Then here you go. Then you navigate to accounts. Under the account right here, you scroll down right here and you go ahead and click on other users. Then you have the local user account right here. Go ahead and click on it. So here, there is no options for create a password or change password for other user local account on your Windows PC. How do you do that? What you need to do here is to come down below right here to your startup menu. If you are using Windows 11, if you are using Windows 10, also go to your startup menu, right click on it, and then make sure you navigate to your tax manager. On getting to tax manager right here, go ahead and make sure you click on users right here. Then you have your main account user on your Windows PC. Right click on it. Go ahead and click on manage users account. And this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and click on manage another account. Then you have the local account right here. Select the local account, then you have option for create a password. Go ahead and click on create password. Enter your new password, confirm your new password, enter your int, and come down below right here and click on create password. It simply means that the other user account will always be using password to have access to the Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.